I gave the wrong command in the house and accidentally opened the garage doors. It's in the upper 20s today. So it's chilly here. Oh, I forgot to get your bowls last night. Every once in a while I forget. There you go, bud. There you go. Good morning, Tux. Good morning. Oh. Here comes Ruby. Stripes like, you know, heating is highly overrated when it's in the upper 20s, Mom. Is it Friday yet? No, it's only Thursday. I don't know how you do that on these cold mornings.
I do it slowly.
Slowly?
You'll go zooming like crazy.
Good morning, Panther. Good morning, Gray. Good morning, Ruby. Thanks for keeping it toasty in here for me. We're on time for 7:25. It's a little bit of a sleepy morning for me today. Car's nice and toasty, maybe too toasty. It's just checked out the weather forecast at the last stoplight, and you know, I moved from a chance of snow Saturday event to maybe a bit of snow, freezing rain event on Sunday. It's just, you know, an ever-evolving forecast, and we're right on the border of all rain versus snow, freezing rain. So, you know, 30, 50 miles is going to make all the difference in the forecast for us personally. And we'll just have to play it by ear. Our little, you know, southeast corner of Wake County is always right on that fringe area. And, you know, I just don't know at this point. Thankfully, Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, and we don't have to worry about school cancellations and a commute. And Tuesday's actually a teacher work day, so even if something does come down, we don't have to worry about it for a couple of days. It's got time to melt, dry, all that good stuff without it being a stressor as far as the school goes. So, and all Johnny's college classes right now are virtual, so even if we did have to miss a day, it would just be the 2 high school classes, and I'm sure the teachers would work on makeup stuff. So, yep, that's the weather forecast from here in North Carolina. I'm sure there's no bread and milk left in any of the grocery stores, because whenever they put that snowflake in the forecast, people tend to go a little nuts, at least here in central North Carolina. I really didn't want to get out of the car this morning, but I'm so sleepy. It was pretty much a must. Don and I are gonna walk when I get home this morning. We got stuff going on this afternoon that's gonna prevent it. One thing is Don's got to go to the landfill today, and I have something to do in town with Johnny after school, so it's just, we got to get it in this morning or we're not going to get it in. But hey, I get to go shop with Michelle afterwards, so there is that. Okay, I'm frozen up. I'm frozen up. There's nothing better than getting in the car, hitting the brake pedal, and the door automatically closing behind you when it's cold. Or on days when it's raining out there, it's really helpful too. So when we're listening to streaming in the morning, you know, Johnny will usually have the screen adjusted like this. And then when he gets out of the car and I want to listen to my book, I click on Bluetooth and it takes me to my phone and lets me, normally if I just hit the button on the steering wheel, the pause, unpause button, it'll start playing. It'll trigger my phone to start the book. But my point is that it always opens up to this big screen here. And there's not hardly anything down here. And even if you had one more phone, you don't need all of that. And, you know, why can't it open up like that? And then if you need to access more, you can lift it. Because I have to go in, I want to see more of the map. I have to close it every morning. You know, it's one of those little tiny things and just some feedback there. It's cold.
Actually, I'm quite comfy. I got 4 layers on. I got super heavy duty thin slate gloves.
Well, good. Then you'll be prepared for any potential ice or snow that we get Sunday.
Yeah, I'm all snug.
Now I'll put on a pair of gloves to throw a snowball. Build a snowman. I will wear appropriate clothing for that.
I'll be inside. Snuggled under my
yeah,
blanket.
but what happens when I build a snowman?
I come out and look at it and say, "Ooh, you've done well." And then
No, I come in and I go, Donnie, I got all the balls made. I need your help lifting it together. And a couple of times I've had the ability to build them. I build them pretty big, so we have had trouble before lifting them. Yeah, I don't think small. I think in terms of, you know, monster mammoth snowman. We should only be so lucky to get enough snow for that. Well, they're still working over here at the retention pond. They've got 2 John Deeres here right now. The Komatsu is gone. Maybe they continued to have maintenance issues with it. We still don't quite understand what they're doing. Obviously, refinessing how the retention pond works, but to what end, we're not sure.
There she is, all bundled up.
Well, sort of. I got my hat today. I wouldn't want to be without my hat. There's nobody here, Donnie. There's absolute, look, there's nobody on the track. There's nobody in the parking lot. There's nobody here.
Couldn't have anything to do with it's 31 degrees, right?
I'm thinking it might.
Yeah.
How'd we do?
All right, it says we started at 8:58 a.m. 22:38 per mile average, which sounds slow as all get out.
Right, I don't feel like we walked that slow at all.
52 steps, 406 calories, 55 minutes, 22 seconds. Total duration 2.44 miles. Heart rate of 70 minimum, average 112, maximum of 136. And I had nice time at 27 minutes in the green zone, which is the fat burning zone. And I got my heart points, it just told me. And fastest mile was 11:14 per mile. That's probably when we were running.
We only ran the track one time today.
Yeah.
I was doing a pogo raid and feeling cold today. Dawn is not cold.
Right.
Dawn is feeling hot.
Yeah.
Now at least.
Yeah, and our average speed was 2.65 miles per hour.
Yeah, well, to me, the reason why we are a little slow is it seemed to shorten the mileage a little bit today. Like, if it either shortens the mileage or extends the time one way or the other just a little bit, it really affects that rate if it's not accurate. Well, my watch said our average pace was 22 something also, so Dawn's watching my watch. We're in agreement on that today. All right, I did a fast transformation and now I'm ready to shop with Michelle. Wow, the town's already put down salt spray. I guess if it's going to be dry until the event starts, it doesn't matter how much in advance you put it down. But it seems like if we're not going to have icy stuff until Sunday, Thursday is just a little early. But hey, they're doing it. They're doing it. So hopefully we won't need it for ice and we'll get snow. None of us wants too much ice. Hey, girlfriend. Yeah, I was a little late because I was hunting snowflakes. Snowflake necklaces, snowflake socks. I'm hunting snowflekes.
You could be like that. You could be like that all day long.
I'm really sorry that that's not in your size. Otherwise, it would be perfect for you.
Squeeze it.
mermaid girl. I really like this dollhouse. If only I had some place for it. I don't know why. It's cool. It's like the dollhouse I always wanted, maybe. I've got all their cute Valentine's Day clothes out, including this little conversation heart dress. It's adorable. On to the big store. The toy bags go on forever in both directions. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until she is in hot water. If you stumble, make it part of the dance.
That's cute.
Don't need it. I don't need it, but it sure is a nice longer burger basket. I found a pair of running pants, and Michelle found a display, I guess a tabletop display stand. And this week it's Star Wars Monopoly. I can hear Don now. We don't have any room for it, but it's pretty cool. It's like school grade stuff. Oh, it's like birthday present Space Invaders. That's very cute. You can get bags in here for 50 cents, 39 cents. The very nicest ones maybe $1. Hot dog and watermelon, just what I always wanted on my feet. So did we do okay last week with the exercise clothes?
Yes.
Okay, good to hear. Good to hear. I like those. Those are really sporty. I'd wear them. Got a little reflector on them and everything. Mm-hmm. Well, of course I love it, but it's huge. That's got to be like a 3 or 4X.
Let's see. 3X.
Oh, well. Great find. Wow, Galaxy Girl. Those would go with my running pants I had on this morning. Kind of one of those days today where everything is an almost. At least for me. Michelle's getting some good stuff. All right, girlfriend. I'll see you next week.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Bye. Love you too. Thank you, Ruby. I was like, you're not going to open? Well, the forecast did say it was going to be mostly cloudy. I guess we've gotten to the mostly cloudy part of the program. It's 54 out there, so not too bad. Doesn't really matter what the weather's doing if Michelle and I are inside a Guardian Angel shopping, right? And I am on time for a 2:10 pickup. Well, I got to say, it sure does look like a winter's afternoon, like as if it could snow today, between the salt in the roads and that gray, wintry sky up there. But not really expecting anything till Sunday, so you know, we really got to go on different dates than this.
Yeah, and you don't like my landfill dates? I take all my best girls to the landfill.
Don and I are obviously not in the Tesla. We're in the Honda minivan.
Hurry up, Elon, I want my Cybertruck.
That's right, I want the Cybertruck really bad. But we got people that need their Model X first, so yeah, I'm very happy to wait in line behind those people for a while. Well, we got all these lime green containers today. Well, it's good to get eggs and pecans for Mr. Ball.
Yepper.
I'm going to be making you another carrot cake for your birthday. I need pecans. 5-gallon can. That's why we're here. It's down there on the floorboard. The old gas went in the van, and now fresh gas in case we need it for the generator is going in the can.
Exactly correct.
Yeah. The van has plenty of gas right now. So it's just going to be a fill up the 5-gallon thing.